Good morning from beautiful Tenerife. We arrived here yesterday. I didn't film much yesterday. I'm probably gonna put it in this vlog here at some point, probably between this and when we're heading out to breakfast like now. We're gonna pick up the car after we've been at breakfast and just look at it. It's so beautiful here. Ridiculous. Breakfast! After a very lengthy coronavirus pandemic, my family and I are finally getting to travel again. Today, we're leaving to Tenerife. Let's go. Just flying my drone out over the ocean here behind me, and I got attacked by a freaking seagull. It followed the drone until I landed. It was quite scary, and I think she would have taken the drone down if she could, but yeah, I got it back, and I got a little bit of footage to show. I'll probably put it behind here, but I have an idea for the thumbnail already, so yeah, I mean, it's so pretty. But yeah, my drone getting attacked by a seagull isn't the best thing to happen, but it's alright. So we're back at the hotel now, and it's already dark, as you can see behind me. When I was flying my drone, again, from the shots you've seen here from the hotel, I got attacked by seagulls. Another time. I've been attacked by seagulls when I was flying down there at the beach this afternoon. And I was attacked again when I was flying up here at the hotel. I don't know what it is with seagulls and drones. They just apparently don't like drones. So I gotta be careful when flying my drone around here. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm gonna edit it probably like right now. Yeah, leave a thumbs up if you did. Click here to subscribe to my channel, or click here to subscribe to Milos, who is another YouTuber here from Tenerife. He makes daily videos from this beautiful place. Or click up here to watch my last video, which was like 2 years ago at this point already. It helps me in the algorithm. Leave a like, leave a subscription, would be nice. I see you tomorrow. Bye.